This shit feels like teenage fever.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
I'm not scared of it, she ain't either.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang for Braden's new channel. So we got some king crab from Costco in here, and I really just want to come on here and show y'all how I make it, because I really haven't showed anybody how I make my seafood boil. My dad used to live in New Orleans, you know what I'm saying? So making crawfish, making seafood was a thing, and a lot of people don't season their water when they're boiling their seafood, like not enough, and they use chicken broth and shit like that. Why? I don't know, but whatever. So I'm gonna show y'all what I use today for this seafood boil, because it's a little different from what I usually would do. I usually would use Old Bay because I love the taste of Old Bay, and I would use some J.O. seasoning. I'm gonna put y'all on that when we go back home to my dad's house though. So I use some Tony Chachere's, some Go Creole, some Slap Ya Mama, and what I did was I poured them on in here. Oh, it just started boiling. Okay, so what I did was I made sure that I poured an ample amount in there, a lot, and that is the seasonings I use. But I do use real vegetables to season my food. So there's onion, there's garlic, there's celery, lemon, corn, and there's Roger Wood sausages in there. And if you never heard of Roger Wood, I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys right here. And basically this is how I season my seafood boil. So what I'll do is I'll let this cook in real good. I'll let this cook in real good, and then I'll break up my crab legs and put it in here. And most of the time I'll take all of this stuff out except for like the celery and the lemons and garlic and stuff and onions. I'll leave that in there, and I'll start to set in my crab legs. So I'll show you, because I haven't put in my potatoes yet, which I missed, and we about to do that. So let's see. So you can use red potatoes, you can use the golden yellow potatoes. Both get really soft, so they're good for boiling. They're good for boils. I really like the yellow golden better than the red because they have more of a buttery flavor. I don't know if you guys really care about which type of, most people get russet, which are those brown dry ass potatoes, but I like these. So I'm gonna rinse them off really quick, and then I'm gonna cut them up and put them inside the seafood boil. And yes, my hair is still curly after bleaching. My Roger Woods are super done, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. So many bitches and hoes, but they don't know. I bet they don't even know. Alright, so I just put my crab legs in there. They're actually really big, but you'll see when they're done. We got the warm sausages down here on warm. I'm about to boil some eggs, and we're gonna make a sauce. We're going to make a vegan butter sauce, because vegan butter is always best. So this time I'm using the Mykonos Creamery cultured vegan butter. I'm probably gonna use the whole thing, so we can dip. I'm gonna use my little pot. First, let's put the eggs on. Eggs on. If you don't have an egg boiler, get you one. Yes. Oh, that's all we gotta do. Oh wait, he just showed us the Oh no, Y'all said y'all wanted a smoking mukbang, so we're doing it. We're doing it! Eggs are on. Alright, y'all. The trick to making your crab legs, right? Get it to a boil real quick after you've taken everything out. Put in your crab legs. Get it back to a boil and then turn it off and let it sit in the water. Let it sit in the seasoned water, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when it comes out. But right now, we're gonna make this sauce. Oh, the only place that have fish is Publix. There's no how, there's no what, let's check. It's time to turn it off. So you turn it off and you let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And when it's done, everything's gonna be soaked in that yummy sauce, seasonings that you just made. The seasoning water.
Ice cream.
Or seasoned water. So I am going to slice up. I'm actually gonna cut it in half down the middle, kind of like this, but not all the way through. And then I'm going to slice long ways so we can get some nice little caramelized pieces. Real thin, real good. I don't have ginger, which I'm sad about because that shit hits so different. Oh, fuck. That's what I did miss. The goddamn ginger. I need some ginger. Alright, so I'm gonna add my onions, which are chopped up like this, to my pot. Oopsies. And I'm going to saute them with the garlic. Well, after. I need some more. That ain't enough. B-Love did something when she added these onions to the sauce, cause I ain't know about the sauce in the onion. The caramelized onions in that mug hit so different. But you gotta caramelize them. You can't put them in the butter. They don't taste the same. You gotta caramelize them first and then put the butter in. And the garlic. Teaching y'all the way. So I have about that much onions. They're gonna be caramelized. This is a little pot too. They're gonna be caramelized down. Okay, so I added a little bit of butter in here to get it moist at the bottom. And to finish the caramelization after letting them do its thing. So this is what it's looking like right now. Yes. This is what it's looking like. We got the crab legs chilling. And the sauce is gonna be good. The eggs over there. Okay, so now I'm going to add some garlic. Like 1, 2, 3 things of garlic. And that thing.
Very good, isn't it?
Going to chop the butter up. Start adding it in. So I'm adding half the stick first. Half of the stick, guys. And then add my seasonings. I'm gonna turn it down on low and let it just start getting married up. So this is without anything in there but butter, garlic, and onion. And now I'm about to add the seasonings. So we got some Tony, okay? Tony gotta go. I do what I want. Now mix it in there. Then I'm gonna add some Slap Your Mama. Right? Slap your mama. Then I'm going to add some hot sauce. Mix it. Mix it. And I'm gonna add some onion powder and garlic powder. Because you can't have, oh my god. Gotta take this out. Some smoked paprika. And brown sugar is a must because B-Love was going somewhere with that. She really was, guys. And the sugar thickens the sauce and makes it sticky, so you can dip it and get some sauce on your shit. What's that shit called? I'm gonna put some lemon. Favorite. Lemon butter garlic.
My turn? Which I'm asking about my turn.
It tastes yummy. Mommy made lemon taste good.
I ain't making it. And I'm gonna add some ground ginger because I don't have ginger.
Oh.
You only need a little bit. Literally. Just a little. And now I'm done adding crazy shit. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my butter. And this will be looking like in here. Oop, almost dropped my camera. But this is what the sauce looking like. It's kind of chunky. You know what I'm saying? Perfect consistency. And it's gonna be delicious. Time to take out the crab legs. So, I want y'all to see this. Do you see the color of the crab leg, right? And the seasoning on it. That's from sitting. It smells delicious. Juice, keep it in there. Keep the juice inside. Finished product of the seafood boil. Yes, sir. Need scissors with it because there's no way you're gonna be able to crack those open. So we're about to film Braden's seafood boil. So I'll see y'all after. I might put a little bit of the clips in, but this is seafood boil. Peace. I hope you enjoyed how me showing you how to make it. Or how I make mine. I'm about to crack these eggs. And then we're about to eat. Yeah.
This shit feels like teenage fever.
High volume, high volume, high volume.
I'm not scared of it, she ain't